I've been growing with the money since young money. Many bitches want it all, can't get none from me. Ay, baby, hello, make it wiggle like jello. I like 'em yellow, thick, black, and ghetto. Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Stick out your tongue, can a nigga have some? Stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. It's your birthday, can a nigga get you some? Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun.
I've taken this long vintage skirt that I don't wear anymore. I've had it for 3 years and I've only worn it 3 times. And I'm just gonna cut it into a skirt, a smaller one, and then use the top for a bonded top and headscarf. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse on that for you guys. If you are new, hey, how's it going? If you're an original, thank you for the support. You guys are amazing. But I'm gonna turn this into a 3-piece outfit and I will see you guys towards the end.
You don't wanna say, but you do say. That's what bothers me. Can't come back. Had a heart attack. I'm a good man on a different track. You do say you don't wanna say, but you do say. That's what bothers me.
So this was the next day, so I have on different clothes, but I just made a bow for the top, and then I have the loose parts that I'm going to go around the bust area and measure and sew that, and then sew the bow on top so that you can untie the bow and tie the strings around the neck, which is what I'm doing here. And it's just time lapse so you guys don't have to sit through the whole process because my sewing machine is down, so everything I've been doing, I've been hand stitching, but for the most part the additional pieces that's left over is going to be for the head wrap. So it's not really much to say or do or show you guys, but just let you watch, so I'm gonna let you watch. Now I am doing some more adjustments because the top was a little bit too little, so I'm adding on a little extra fabric from here from the headscarf, and it comes out pretty perfect. So I'm gonna wrap this up towards the end, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now this was the video before the adjustment. You can see how I'm saying I wanted to pull in here and then add more at the top up here, which is what I went ahead and did with this headscarf piece. But this is the whole outfit, and then I'll show you guys the finished look after in a second. But that's it. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to click down low, like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. XOXO toodles.
I've been growing with the money since young money. Many bitches want it all, can't get nothing from me. Ay, baby, hello, make it wiggle like jello. I like them yellow, thick, black, and ghetto. Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Stick out your tongue, can a nigga